Start from the PCC homepage. Log into LancerPlan using your student credentials. Click on My Classes and Academics, then select LancerPlan. The first page will show you an overview of your information and degree progress. Click on Plans and scroll down to see an overview of your plan. To create a new plan, click on New Plan, then choose Blank Plan or select Template. To start with a blank plan, select a starting term, then press Submit. Provide a description, then click on Save. Here you can add courses to each term. Locate the course you want to add, check the box, then click Add to Plan. This platform allows you to search for courses by subject or title. To add courses to another term, click on Add Term in the upper right. Once you've added other terms, you can click and drag classes from one term to the next. It's important to note that some classes may not be offered in certain terms, and some terms may not be held altogether, so be ready to make the needed adjustments. An educational plan will show as locked when it has been verified by a counselor. Once it is locked, you will not be able to make any changes. Remember, if you need help with an educational plan, make sure you meet with a counselor to get the assistance you need.